Hey guys, I'm start to approach electronics. So after troubleshooting, I was able to start all the wheels and the test and the system. So as you can see, I'm really on the ground. So I can say that I'm building from the ground because I was on the floor. So with the laptop and with the structure where I'm testing the wheels, because it's pretty huge, all the steps, so I'm not place it on the table. When I'm sure about the cables, how we should be wiring, because the wheels of the hoverboard have brushless motor that have phases and Hall sensors, so you have set up correctly all the not moving properly. After I was sure, I start to cable all the and soldering all the wires to the right connectors. After I finish, I start with all the final cable management, with giving the right name to the cables, so I'm able to follow the path of the cables and find the right cable, because it's not complicated right now, but in the future we will have more cables. So at the beginning I arrange properly all the cables. Little spoiler, it not work as planned, because I burn all the drives and the control board. That was an ESP32 too, and yep, I have to wait to next days when all the spares arrive. So yep, not good. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'm not born all in the next clip. Thank you. Bye.